Hey guys, this is Sanat Srivastav from the Free Spoken Podcast. I am your host, and today we have with us Miss Hazel Roman. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Very good. Thank you so much for inviting me to Free Spoken. It's wonderful to be here with you this
The
evening.
pleasure is all. The pleasure is all mine, ma'am. Miss Hazel Romani, she's a consulting psychologist with the Manas Foundation. Well, I know Manas Foundation from like my first acquaintance with Manas was behind the auto rickshaws when you were in partnership with IGL. So that is how I remember you that there is this one Manas Foundation which is working with IGL. So when I first contacted you, and I have told you this, that when I first contacted you, it was like, is this same Manas Foundation? Like, is she really Hazel Siromani? You have been the MD of Maple Beer South Asia, then the Indo-Canadian Business Corridor. I was like kind of overwhelmed, and then that is one of the reasons I got a bit nervous as well. I was like, अरे मैम के सामने कैसे करेंगे?
Not at all. It's a pleasure to be here with you, and I'm looking forward to our conversation.
Fair enough, man. Right, we'll be making it more of a conversation and less of an interview type of thing. I really do not want that. So to start with, although I know a bit about you, but let's talk about your journey with Manas and your journey as a psychologist. How did it all come together?
I'll start with Manas Foundation. It's an incredible foundation working in over 2 decades, 20 years plus.
Right.
The managing trustees are Monica Kumar and Naveen Kumar. It was their dream to kind of, they both are mental health practitioners and
Okay.
highly qualified, and it was something that concerned them, the stigma that was attached to mental health.
Right.
And they took that and how they have worked so hard, because still date people think mental health very differently. Um,
That's right.
Honestly, it's only during this COVID-19 pandemic situation that people are understanding how mental well-being plays a huge role in every other
Mhm.
aspect of our life. So
Right.
this has been a journey for Manas Foundation. They are largely Manas. We focus on two critical areas. Mental health definitely being our core focus and competency there.
Hmm.
Having a team of clinical practitioners, we have psychiatrists,
Right.
psychologists. We have in psychologists there are different expertise that are available,
Hmm.
but also we are focused in terms of gender justice. We
Right.
have been working over these 2 decades in the year of gender space, where we are looking
Right.
at changing attitudes and perception towards women, and that's how you have seen our work, which has been very visible with the transport department in
Right.
collaboration with
Right.
IGL, where you have seen
Yeah.
behind auto rickshaws and taxi drivers. But actually, it's a
Right.
lot to do with sensitizing them on safety of women and gender
Right.
justice. They are a big champions and
Mhm.
uh, kind of facilitators to make safe, like provide women safe methods of
Right.
transport. You know,
Exactly.
so
Exactly.
that's
They are the ones who are, I believe, like when it's late nights, these are the people whom you trust with your mother, sister, your wife, your girlfriend to bring them home safely. So that's
correct.
actually something you are actually hitting the right spot when it comes to gender equality over there. So talking about psychology, ma'am, here, since this is your forte, psychology, one thing that always comes to my mind, and I would say this is something that people are least aware of as far as people around me are concerned. Psychology is one thing, psychiatry is one thing. So psychiatrists are a different sort of people, psychologists are a different sort of people. But whenever we refer, we usually use them as synonyms. That go consult a psychiatrist or consult a psychologist. So please tell us the difference between both of them.
There's a huge difference actually between the two, and I would use. I mean, to simplify it, really, the difference is psychiatrist has done his or her medicine. That means MBBS, and taken an area of
Mhm.
specialization into psychiatry.
Right.
And the psychiatrist, because is qualified, can
Mm.
prescribe medicines and drugs. Um,
Okay.
for intervention. Psychologist, on the other hand, uses therapy and different other techniques based on their,
Right.
in terms of where their proficiencies and because each psychologist uses a technique in terms of therapy, and we believe
All right.
mental health can be intervened or intervention can take place through therapy. You
Mm-hmm.
need to so that's where the difference really lies. So when people look for, first time when they're seeking help, most times
Mm-hmm.
it is to a psychologist, um,
Okay.
and only very extreme cases where
Okay.
intervention you directly go to a psychiatrist because the behavior or the manifestations are so pronounced
Right.
that you require directly into the consulting a psychiatrist for it. But that's
Right.
the difference, very simply put.
I see. So it's practically, if you put it, a psychiatrist will give you a medicine for whatever ailment you have, mental ailments, and a psychologist will basically be talking to you. That will be the right image that we have in our mind
Yeah,
when it
yeah.
comes to like a person is sitting, a psychologist sitting on a sofa, and we are sitting on the other side, and it's a very ambient atmosphere, and they are talking to us regarding our problems.
I mean, just to kind of add on to it, because I don't
Yeah.
want to dilute the position of a psychiatrist. He's a medical doctor. Like he or
Right.
she is a doctor, a practicing
Right.
doctor in psychiatry. So just the way you
Right.
have various doctors and various specializations,
Right.
same way you have a doctor in psychiatry. So,
All right.
so that's so it's just not about medicine, but they are medical doctors. They're practitioners
Medical doctor.
as doctors. Yeah.
I see. So psychologists have actually gone to study, I would say, MA psychology, then eventually PhD in psychology. Then they
Correct.
put doctors in front of them, and then the psychiatrists are people who have actually done MD in psychiatry or things like that.
Correct.
So they have
Correct.
studied medicine.
Exactly.
I understood. So when uh, when we talk about things like depression, things that actually affect us daily, depression, anxiety हो गई, then you talk about fears that you have, phobias. So in सब के लिए, if I am getting it right, we have to consult a psychologist first. At least not
Correct.
only a
Correct.
psychologist, but first a psychologist.
Psychologists would be, as I said, in some cases, it could be just a little bit of an imbalance of integrated into your normal daily routines.
Right.
Suddenly you are feeling extremely sad or depressed.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes we use very loosely these words. आज
Right.
मुझे बड़ा आई एम फीलिंग वेरी डिप्रेस्ड टुडे.
Right.
उसका मीनिंग क्या है? आई मीन depression is a very serious matter. It's not just feeling low. Some days
Right.
I'm having a bad day. I'm not just feeling good about it. But
Right.
when you are clinically diagnosed as being depressed, which is over a period of time, so it is not a one-off day. That's
Right.
that's just could be a not so great day for me. That's going. But when
Right.
I'm really consistently depressed, so you really go to a psychologist. The
Mm-hmm.
psychologist determines what stage you are in. So you could be
Okay.
just in a very early stage,
Mm-hmm.
where with psychotherapy and cognitive behavior therapy or different other techniques, you can intervention is given, and through various therapeutic sessions, there is an improvement and change in the outcome and behavior and way of living.
I see.
Can you immediately start seeing changes? The idea is to empower the person to be able to independently live a balanced and a wellness life.
Right.
But
Right.
the psychologist can determine after a point that if the person is very clinically depressed, means there is a
Mm-hmm.
medical intervention required, because
Right.
there is a physiological requirement, because our body is made of chemicals,
Right.
and when there is an imbalance in that, that means you need some kind of an intervention, a drug therapy, you need some kind of support,
Mm-hmm.
and you need some additional in terms of support. That's
I
when
see.
the recommendation could be made to a psychiatrist for it.
I see. So when we are talking about, you raised a very important point here that, sometimes we are sad and sometimes we are depressed. And being a youngster here, I really believe what you just said, that we actually use these terms very loosely. वी आर लाइक आज डिप्रेस चल रहा हूँ या फिर आजकल ना बहुत डिप्रेशन हो रखा है, जस्ट बिकॉज लेट्स आई एम इनटू अ सेल्स जॉब फॉर दैट मैटर. सो लेट्स सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ वेरी हार्ड मंथ इन सेल्स एंड आई से दैट यार बहुत डिप्रेशन हो रखा है, पिछला पूरी क्लोजिंग बहुत खराब हुई थी. बट what exactly is the tipping point wherein your sadness, your misery has actually turned into depression, as you would call it a depression? How can we determine that?
So it's extremely important, and I'm glad you're talking about this on your channel, because depression is a very extreme manifestation of being extremely low,
Mm-hmm.
extremely sad, and that is when it impedes in your daily living. यानी कि अगर
Okay.
मैं मेरा सडनली मेरे लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट है, मन नहीं
Mm-hmm.
कर रहा है खाने के लिए, एक दिन एक मील इज फाइन, आई मीन
I
इट्स अ वेरी
understand.
नॉर्मल थिंग. बट
Yeah,
सपोज
can
एवरी
happen.
डे यू स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग कि मैं हार्डली आई ईट, वो
Right.
3 times a day तो forget it, breakfast lunch dinner.
Right.
I'm just not interested in eating, so I stop eating, like एक
Mm-hmm.
दिन 2 दिन. So when it starts manifesting in that, then aggression, बहुत गुस्सा,
I see.
anger, it starts coming out in different ways. So
Mm-hmm.
when you start observing things that are not usual,
Mm-hmm.
a lack of sleep, your regular sleep. So ठीक है, एक दिन आपको रात में नींद नहीं आई,
Mm-hmm.
सबको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, हो सकता है
Right.
नींद नहीं आ रही है, नॉट स्लीपिंग एज द वे यू वुड स्लीप और गेट अप रिफ्रेश्ड इन द
Right.
मॉर्निंग. बट इफ यू सी दैट इट्स इम्पैक्टिंग योर डेली लिविंग, यानी कि
Right.
आपके रिलेशनशिप्स इफेक्ट हो रहे हैं,
Right.
आपका पर्सनल हाइजीन, पर्सनल केयर,
Mm,
you
that is
you
also
know
important.
all that, your productivity, काम में ध्यान नहीं लग रहा है, you're forgetting things, your
Mm-hmm.
reflex action, everything is, you want to just stay locked up in your room, you don't want
Right.
to come out, you don't want to interact with people. But it is like over a period of time, it
Mm-hmm.
becomes for weeks after weeks. That's
I
when
see.
you are in a state where you really need help. And depression, if it's continuously over a period of time, and you're
Mm-hmm.
feeling that nothing is bringing you out of that state of sadness,
Mm-hmm.
and it's not allowing you to live a full life,
Mm-hmm.
because everything is getting affected around you, your surroundings, your people around you, your daily routines are getting affected. That's when it's important to reach out for help.
I see. So, like, can we put a number to the days? Like, let's suppose I'm feeling stressed for a week because, again, I'll give my example. I'm into sales. So, after 25th, we actually start that pressure build-up that, okay, the month ending is coming. We have to close good number. So, that is one week where we salespeople find it okay that we are stressed. Rest of the month, we are okay. But is there a number that, okay, after 15 days or after 21 days, if you see that you are doing this continuously, you should consult? Is there any such number?
So there's not really a number of days, but I would say this, that all of us make effort to feel good.
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm running into very stressful time, um, and I like the example you've given, now I will try to make effort. Maybe I may go for a walk. Maybe I may
Right.
listen to some music. I will try to calm
Mm-hmm.
myself. So when I'm making
Right.
efforts to calm myself and to unhinge, अपने आप को वहाँ से
Right.
उस situation से निकालने को, to make myself
When I'm aware of that मुझे बुरा
correct.
लग रहा है, आज मैं stressed
Yeah,
हूँ,
yeah.
that
So
is basically
then,
sadness.
yeah, correct. So you're trying to resolve that and trying to undo it through different methods, and most people are able to do that.
Right.
They are able to kind of deal with it and work with it. Sometimes we talk to our friends, दिल हल्का हो
Right.
जाता है बोलते हैं. We're
Right.
able to talk to our parents, maybe our friends. We are able to talk to our relatives, something special, who we can
Right.
confide in, and you see a sense of relief, which is catharsis. You feel relieved in terms of downloading. Sometimes you just need to download,
Right.
and you move on. The fact is that when you are able to move on, you're fine.
Mm-hmm.
When you are
Okay.
unable to move on, when you are
When you have
struggling,
given into it.
yeah. So that's why for some people it could be in 2 days. So for some people it takes 15 days, for some people 30 days, maybe 6 months for some people. So
I see.
you cannot put a fix of number of days, but it's your, because everybody is unique. Everybody's state
Right.
of mind and everybody's coping mechanisms are very different. Responsiveness is different. Self-awareness is different. So I would say the point when you can't move on, the point when you have made an effort, a concrete effort, and you can't unhook
Right.
yourself from there, and when your friends have helped you, maybe your special person has helped you,
Right.
sometimes within family people help you, to support you. When nothing of that works or fails, that's the time then you reach out.
Understood. So that is basically it's different for different people. But what we can say is like when you have tried that, okay, when you are basically not aware anymore that you are waking up late, you have lost an appetite, you don't consider these things abnormal. That is when either you or the people around you should actually make an effort to bring a psychologist into the picture. Now, that
Absolutely.
brings us to the next, I would say, topic of this discussion that, okay, now we know that we have to consult a psychologist. Now we know that, okay, what is the tipping point? But as I said, when people around us, or even when we determine, कि ठीक है, we are feeling depressed now, it has been too long for us. Then we tell our friends, our family, or whosoever that, you know what, yeah, I think I need therapy. And that is where I believe the basics of Manas Foundation kicks in, that it has been such a mystical kind of thing that अरे पागल थोड़ी हो, दिमाग खराब थोड़ी हो तुम्हारा. So that is what we get to hear कि, you know, either we say it very loosely कि go see a psychiatrist, or
Yeah.
we are like अरे पागल थोड़ी हो psychiatrist के पास जाओगे, are you mad or what? जहाँ पे बैठो, मूवी देखो, कुछ कर लो. पीपल आर लाइक अरे इंस्टाग्राम देखना, अरे तू नेटफ्लिक्स चेक कर, नेटफ्लिक्स पे इतना सब कुछ है, तुम देखते देखते खुश हो जाओगे. बट
Right.
पीपल डोंट वांट दैट. सो व्हाट आई वुड से, लाइक what do you suggest and what has Manas done, because I would really love to know that what has Manas done to make sure that people definitely come out to them, at least more and more number come out to them.
So you're absolutely right. There are these extremes. Either people, um, very kind of say कि psychiatrist के पास चले जाओ या psychologist, or for some people it's a fad. Just a very, um, I'm going to a therapist kind of thing.
Right.
Um, and for some is कि इतनी छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए क्या जाना,
Right.
and find distractions. All your
Right.
Netflix, your Instagram, these are all distractions to take you
Right.
away. तो my counter question is कि जब सर में दर्द होता है,
Mm-hmm.
या तो आप एक दवाई लेते हैं जब माइग्रेन्स होते हैं, you try to fix it, you want to elevate
Right.
from pain that you're going through,
Right.
या you do meditation, you find some solution to end that
Right.
pain.
Right.
So why is mental health not treated like that? It's when you need that kind of intervention, it is
Mm-hmm.
important at the right time, because कई बार होता है when it's too late or the damage is so much that a lot of work needs to go. So
Right.
timeliness बहुत जरूरी है. Now, uh, so that takes me to your question you asked me कि मानस ने क्या किया.
Right.
That is what the journey ये 20 साल में मानस का, और एक्चुअली जो जब स्टार्ट पॉइंट भी यहीं से
Mm-hmm.
शुरुआत हुई थी, इज रियली कि पीपल हैड दिस इल्यूजन कि पागल खाने जाना पड़ता है, लाइक
Exactly.
इट्स अ मेंटल हॉस्पिटल. कई बार हम लोग क्या
Right.
क्या बोल देते हैं. I don't know in your among your
Circle.
friends and all, people
Yeah.
say but I remember growing up, या तेरे को आगरा में डाल देंगे, पागल खाना है वहाँ.
हाँ, this is something like बचपन में बोलते थे आगरा का पागल खाना,
हाँ.
and then this शादरा वाला as well.
Correct. So there is this labeling and this, kind of stigma that is attached. So लोग
Right.
डरते हैं, and that's where Manas wanted to demystify. So we have an OPD where people can walk in. So उनको अस्पताल जाने की नहीं जरूरत होती. So just to kind of make it a bit more comfortable that you come in
Right.
and you're able to get assistance and you're supported like that. But also we looked at prevention, which means how we need to put the message out. We need to kind of make people more and more aware. So we spend a lot of our time in awareness generation. I'll talk about our school projects. We run
Mhm.
mental health curriculum in schools. We are
Right.
starting our mental health program in Sanskriti School in Delhi next week. So our curriculum is uh, embedded within the academic year. So,
Right.
and some progressive institutions like this school, and there are many others, uh, who realize that it's extremely important and very early. So, currently, like
Right.
we are doing for grade 5, 6, 7, 8,
Mm-hmm.
we are doing various sessions, which is right through the year.
Right.
And it's a continuous, like this school has been doing for a couple of years, almost I would say 4 or 5 years now. So जो
All
grade
right.
5 का बच्चा है वो grade 8 में है, has been
And
exposed to mental health curriculum,
right.
age appropriate right through. So उसकी sensitivity, उसका self awareness बहुत high
बहुत
है,
हाई
and
है.
we hope that that person will be have a better way of living, more successful.
अपने लिए भी है ना, मुझे लगता है दूसरों के लिए भी, बिकॉज
Absolutely.
कहीं ना कहीं वो
Relationships.
दूसरों को भी जाके राइट वो दूसरों को भी जाके ये बोलेगा कि मुझे लगता है कि यू नीड अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट नाउ, ही विल बी एबल टू रियलाइज एंड विल बी एबल टू गाइड पीपल इन द राइट मैनर. फॉर अस,
And
हम जैसे जो हमारे साथ वाले बोल देते हैं कि मजाक है, वो नहीं करेगा.
Exactly. And also strength, resilience. Yahi bacha will grow into somebody like you, right, as an adult.
राइट.
And
राइट.
if you have a better way of coping, then
राइट.
your need or dependency for any kind of, you can manage it on your own, and you can
एग्जैक्ट.
constantly, for imbalance, so you can come back. You can come back to the
राइट.
center. So that is the whole purpose. And yet, if I'm feeling the struggle, or if I'm feeling that I need it, I'm able to immediately reach out. Because one of the things that really concern is when people choose death by suicide,
राइट.
when just because they were unable to reach out for help,
राइट.
people were unable to observe, people thought कि manage हो जाएगा, cope हो जाएगा,
मैनेज हो जाएगा. राइट.
but sometimes it's also a lot of pile up, you know it keeps accumulating, and as it
एंड
keeps accumulating in your younger days, your years, to your
राइट.
adult life, it impacts your life altogether,
अल्टीमेट.
every aspect of life. So that was an example I gave you in terms of what our work has been. So,
आई सी.
like for example, let's talk about the transport drivers that we are
राइट.
sensitizing gender, but we
Mm-hmm.
also right now, and I'm amazed to see right now how we are doing sessions every day online for our transport
Right.
drivers. We train and sensitize almost like 150 drivers
That's
every day.
amazing.
Every
That's
day,
amazing.
you can imagine. And in that, we are realizing that they are also affected. They're going through a
Right.
lot of stress. So, we're talking about financial literacy, we're talking about how to deal
Exactly.
with stress. So, every aspect of our work is
Right.
really focused, is as much as possible we can sensitize people, right from and we are like, corporates are reaching out to us. Corporates are
Right.
saying we need to let our employees know that we are there for them. I mean, I'm
Exactly.
happy to share. We've just launched our partnership with Snapchat,
Wow.
and which has just kind of got launched today,
Mhm.
public announcement kind of thing.
Okay.
Snapchat has launched something called Here We are here for you, or here for you, here for you.
Right.
That's their
Okay.
product, and they have
Uh-huh.
partnered with for mental health with Manas, and
I see.
for us to constantly give educational information for Snapchatters,
Right.
and a lot of it is your age, young people who are there on
Exactly.
Snapchat,
Exactly.
and this is a global phenomenon. It's just not locally here. But things like that,
Right.
our mandate, our focus, our vision, our mission, our work,
I
everything
get
is
it.
all about getting the word out. The very fact I'm here with you is really for that purpose.
Exactly. Exactly.
As much as possible, every drop counts for us, every
Exactly.
individual matters.
Right, I understand. So that is I believe a very important aspect, and I would say Snapchat के साथ आपका जो ये collaboration होगा, that will really impact people because people like us, we use these apps a lot, Instagram, Snapchat, all of that, and we'll be able to get in touch with you through these apps. I would say more easily. That brings me to my last question, that when we talk about youngsters and when we talk about social media, so what happens is that after the demise of the actor Sushant Singh Rajput, social media was flooded with posts regarding depression, and then people saying, "We are here for you. You can always talk to us." Eventually, it died out. Eventually, it just ended. But what remained was that this certain feeling that अगर हम उससे बात कर पाते, who knows उसके मन में क्या चल रहा था, all of that. So when we talk about actors, we have covered almost everything. We will never get to know कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के मन में क्या था, because either people didn't listen or he wasn't able to say, either of the two, which can definitely be covered in the upcoming generations through foundations like yours. But I believe if I talk about media and cinema, that is where you can broadcast your message. So cinema का एक aspect था जो मैंने आपसे पहले भी discuss किया था कि movies are there, like there are two types of movies. One is a movie with Alia Bhatt and Shah Rukh Khan called Dear Zindagi. The other one is a movie with Shahid Kapoor called Kabhi. So in Dear Zindagi, they show that okay, there is a therapist and Alia Bhatt needs help, and Shah Rukh Khan is a therapist, and they sit and have daily 1 hour sessions, and he talks her out of her problem of life. In Kabir Singh, it is shown that he becomes violent, he takes drugs, just because he had a breakup in a relationship. People never followed Alia Bhatt, I'm pretty sure about it, but they definitely followed Kabir Singh that okay, breakup हो जाता है, so next thing that you should do is दाढ़ी बढ़ा लो, बाल बढ़ा लो, do not groom yourself, become unhygienic, आप शराब पियो, do drugs, and then they went as far as being violent with the girl itself. So what do you think कि जो मीडिया है, जो ये सिनेमा है हमारे इंडिया का खासकर, बिकॉज अमेरिका का सिनेमा जो होता है ना मैम, आई बिलीव वहां पे ये प्री वेडिंग काउंसलर्स, एजुकेशन काउंसलर्स बहुत अच्छे से आई वुड से एडवोकेट होते हैं और एडवर्टाइज होते हैं. हर मूवी में दिखाया जाता है कि देयर इज अ प्री वेडिंग काउंसलर जो आपको प्रॉपर सलाह देता है. इंडिया में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि इंडियन सिनेमा के जो मैनिफेस्टेशन है इन दो मूवीज की, पर्टिकुलरली इनके कंटेक्स्ट में बात करें, was कबीर सिंह रियली डिप्रेस्ड, और डू यू थिंक दैट वाज द फेज जहां साइकियाट्रिस्ट की जरूरत होती है, यू डायरेक्टली गो टू अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट तो कंसीडर भी नहीं कर सकते.
So, very good, examples I would say. So, if you really look at it, number one is the two characters is very representative of how different we all are.
Right.
Our behaviors are different, our needs are different. Therefore, the
Right.
intervention required is also different. How somebody needs help is different. So both these
Right.
movies actually draw out that very significantly, that all of us are very different, and
Right.
therefore the needs are very very different. Now, cinema's role, yes, we always say that, and we hope so that, and there are a lot of people in cinema also who are mindful of it, is to be responsible,
Exactly.
because it's extremely important, the level of influence, the power of influence that cinema has,
Exactly.
the actors have, the characters have. So when the when it is being shown, it is extremely important to kind of uh, not only do justice to the movie being produced or to that
Right.
character, but also the responsibility for the audience for whom you are making this, because
Exactly.
that is extremely important. Here, I just want to kind of share my, very recently I watched 13 Reasons Why.
Yeah,
And
oh, that was
I
very
think
depressing.
you all have also seen that. But if
Yeah.
you look at it, when the series almost major part of the season getting
Right.
over, but did you notice that after every episode they talk about where you can seek help after
Right.
every episode?
Right.
And after a certain number of seasons, they actually bring the characters and they bring mental health specialists and to
Right.
talk about. to talk about young people, what they go through, depression, anxiety, and there were
Right.
deaths by suicide that had happened,
Right.
various situations, various um, triggers where could have resulted in a character like Kabir of that
Right.
movie. Uh, and there was substance abuse as well. But if you look
Right.
at it, the responsibility that the producers showed in a series like this was
Mm-hmm.
they engaged with the audience because it did impact people. Just the way you said, it was
Right.
so depressive. When
Right.
they received feedback that
Right.
people watching the series are finding, that's why if you notice, they say very clearly, anybody who has tendency, please watch it with somebody.
Right. With
Somebody
supervision,
should.
with a friend. Right.
So there is a responsibility attached to it. And that is what I would really encourage our media is when a character is drawn or woven around which deals with mental health issues. Uh,
Right.
you know, not
Advisory should be there.
yeah, they the seriousness and to consult maybe while they're producing
Hmm?
and maybe they're doing. I mean,
Right.
maybe they would have been some kind of advice sought from experts that we are we're showing in this light.
Right.
But I my call will always be on responsibility. That it is extremely responsible, and for the
Right.
audience as well to take it with a pinch of salt. These are characters. These
Exactly.
are
Do
not
not,
real life. Yeah,
you know, I would say
learn
what
learn
enacting
learn
these
from
stunts can be dangerous.
correct.
That sort of thing.
Yeah, so like Kabir, if you look at it, he had various issues. Now this
Not one.
this
Yeah.
individual was onto drugs, so substance abuse is a very huge influence in
Right.
disrupting your entire physiology and psychological
Right.
imbalances. There is a whole manifestations of it, and that's why his behavior shows that. Whereas in the other movie, Alia Bhatt is like a regular young adult
Right.
who's looking for some closures in her life, who's looking
Right.
for some support, and therefore a therapist, a psychologist intervention was required just to help her find her path.
Right.
So,
So you
you
can
know that.
basically lead a path.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
everybody needs to understand I'm going to be different. So maybe my friend may have required only a therapist, but my need could be very different. So
Right.
everybody should assess their need based on themselves and
Right.
systems. When you seek help from the real people, the practitioners, because unfortunately there is a lot of people who claim to be counselors and psychologists may
Yeah.
not be as qualified to be able to support, may
True
cause
that.
more damage than anything else. So it's
Exactly.
extremely, do a background check, find the right kind of people, the right kind of
Right.
support, because it's extremely important when you're looking for, say, for a heart specialist, you find the best doctor
Right cardiologist. Right.
treat
A
you.
big doctor.
So I would say for for mental health as well, please find the right appropriate help that you need.
Fair enough, man. That's very true because I do feel that जो आप the word that you used, you find a big doctor, बड़े से बड़ा doctor को दिखाएंगे. When mental health comes to the point, you should also think the same way. Instead of thinking कि अरे किसी के पास भी जाके बस vent it out, not like that. But yeah, try to do it with your friends. If that nothing works out, then of course we should approach people like you. So, concluding this particular conversation, I would say कि I would want you to tell us because I also don't know, and I would like that everybody gets to know how exactly can we reach out to you and Maunas Foundation. Like, can we simply walk in and will there be a psychologist to attend us, or can we call, or can our friends call on our behalf that so and so person is not willing to come, but we do feel that he is depressed. So, what all can be modes of contacting you?
So I would lead you directly to our website, which is
Okay.
manas.org.in.
Uh,
Of course, we are on all social media platforms, and if you do Manas Foundation, you'll find us.
right.
You'll find our numbers, our helpline numbers. You'll find our
Hmm.
email ID. Right now, with COVID-19 situation, a walk-in is not there at the moment.
Right.
We have slowly operationalized ourselves. We are located in Okhla in New Delhi. There are
Hmm.
OPD functions. So we do
Hmm.
have staff coming as well. We started slowly,
Right. Right.
having
Slowly and
physical,
gradually.
operationally, yes, within
I
the
see.
set guidelines which we have to be mindful of. But support is immediately available. So if you drop in an email or you reach out on telephone, definitely you will receive assistance from the
I see.
person on the other side, and will guide you in terms of what the next steps will be. Very
Exactly.
shortly, our website will have appointment scheduling online. So we
Okay.
have a book an appointment. So right at a click of a button, you
That will
can
be
do that.
wonderful.
So
So we
that
can do this
shortly
for our
will
friends
happen.
as well. Like we
Absolutely,
can
you
do this
can.
for our friends as well. Like if I'm feeling that my certain friend is not really feeling very good, but he's reluctant. He or she is reluctant to go to a psychologist. Can we approach like you that okay, can you please call them from your side and talk to them or try talking to them? Is that
So
also possible?
so in counseling, the person in need has to come, right?
I
You
see.
just
So
just
God helps
imagine.
those who help
Yeah.
themselves.
Not only that, but imagine like if you had to get your like you're having a pain, or you're having some kind of an ailment, but
Right.
if your mother or father goes to a doctor and says कि मेरे बेटे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, डॉक्टर क्या बोलेगा कि पेशेंट को लेके आओ.
Point. Point.
So
Point.
same goes
You
with
got.
mental health. That at the end of the day, the client's readiness, the person in need
We have to.
readiness is
We
required.
must.
Nothing. Yeah. So we do get reached out by family members. We have it all the time. We have friends. We have people reaching out to us, and we guide them that how do you need to.
How do we convince them?
Correct.
Like you can tell us how to convince them.
So
Because at
we'll
times
give
what
you.
I feel is our methods can be harsh. हम थोड़े दिन बोलते हैं, but then we are like, भाई एक बार दिखा ले जाके, I don't care about you. Do whatever you want. So I believe in that you can help us कि आराम से बात करो या whatever measures you can put us.
And I mean, I'll leave that thought with you and with your viewers as well. Is that sometimes it is not like एक बार बोल दिया बस चला जा.
Right.
You have to be patient with the person
Right.
you care about. So the convincing may take a little bit longer time. If you care deeply for the person, you have to be patient as well. Constantly, try to comfort the person, encourage the person, and maintain confidentiality as well. Sometimes people shy away from that, and if you can, a lot, and most people want to say, "मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ है," I don't need help. I
Exactly.
can manage on my own, kind of thing.
Right. Right.
But to assure them that this is between you and me, and I have
Right.
found this place, and चल एक
We
बार
can
चल
go.
के एक बार बात करके देखते हैं, एक बार बात कर. And most times we have found that when we have our clients, when they come in, कि क्योंकि हमारे फ्रेंड ने बोला या हमारे फैमिली ने बोला कि आप जाइए तो हम आए हैं. Usually a lot of people come
Right.
like that. So, and then the psychologist really works with them. But
Right.
the thumb rule is this: the partnership of the person in need, the client, is required. Without their help, the person
I see.
cannot. I mean, there can be no change in that person. We're talking about a
Exactly.
human
Willingness is
being.
required.
Human being,
Right.
yeah. So, it's not a non-living thing like उसको ठीक कर दिया and
I get it. I get it. And that's very right. Willingness is required. I always say what I just said that God helps those who help themselves. So भाई एक कदम आपको बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. Well, I believe some things are like an escalator. You just have to put in the first step. Eventually things will guide you to the next floor by themselves. So I believe that is how we can end this session. And I believe this has been very insightful from your end. That you have told us almost all the ways and means through which we can identify and consult our good psychologist. We can consult Manas Foundation also, that how can we manage such situations in life. I believe our viewers will be very happy. So guys, this was all for today's session. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you like, share and subscribe. And I will put in the details of Miss Hazel Romani so that you can reach out to her in case you ever feel you need to talk to somebody regarding your depression or regarding your friends or family members' depression. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.